Today we are doing an unboxing on something that I bought over a month ago and it's only just arrived. I literally was about to cancel this and the cancellation went through, but literally about 2 seconds afterwards the cancellation went through, they said they shipped it. So then they got back to me a day after saying, sorry, the cancellation failed, blah blah blah, we could not cancel it in time. So I have got it now, finally. I don't know why it took so long to get it. I know there's been problems with this mouse. There you go. You'll already know by the title what it is, but there's been problems with this mouse that it's been so popular. Everybody has been getting their hands of it. It is the new Logitech Pro X2 SUPERSTRIKE, or as Amazon likes to call it, and I don't know why it shows up, Super Stroke. And I'm not joking, it honestly shows up as Super Stroke on Amazon, and I don't know why. Like, what is Amazon stroking? But either way, we have it. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna, I don't know, try it in this video, or we're gonna try it in another video. But we're just gonna have a look at it. And honestly, the mouse looks like the car from Initial D. But yeah, we're gonna check it out. My local driver at the minute is the, I believe it is the Pro Super Light 2 or some variant of it. I can't remember which one it is. I think it is the Pro Super Light 2. I just can't remember because I've had loads of these. I've got loads in the back, like literally. I'll show you how many I've got. So there you go. I have literally so many. I have got this one, which is the Pro Super Light. I have this one, which is the Pro, I think that this one's just the Pro. This was the first one, and then I believe this is the second one that came out, and then this is another one. So what I used to do with these, I used to give, when I finished with one, I got a new one. I gave my old one to my missus, but my missus has finally got a new one now, which is, I cannot actually remember which one that one is. Let me have a check. I believe she has the Logitech G Pro X Super Light 2 SE. And yeah, in white. So that was a change for her. She's still getting used to that. She's got that, and then I've got the brand new spanking one, which I'm kind of nervous with this one because, like I say, it's got vibrations, and I don't know. We're gonna have to see how this is, but let's open it up and have a check. Hopefully it is good if I can open it. But yeah, like I said, with this one, I was gonna cancel it. Well, to be fair, I did cancel it. I'm not lying. I literally put the cancel request in, but I guess it was fate that I was going to get it. So there you go. And then there you go. That's what it looks like. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, it looks weird as in black and white. Rip. What? You gotta rip the top thing. I don't know where I put my knife. Where did I put my knife? I don't know where I put my knife, you know. I feel like my knife's been disappeared. I wonder if I can cut it with that. Probably not. No, yeah. Definitely can cut it with a nail clipper. Oh, I need to cut the back as well. Never mind. There's always two. But yeah, like I say, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna like it or I'm gonna hate it. This mouse. I hope to God I like it. That's my theory of it. But who knows? Again, you've got G2, Navi, the Heretics. Nothing in there. And there you go. Now, which one's my mouse I'm using? Not this one. And not. You can feel the weight of them. Like, honestly, this, the first ever one, it is very heavy. And then this one is light. And then the one that I'm using is lighter. This one is, I think it's going to be heavier. Now, on the thing, it says it's a bit heavier. So, Okay, it's similar. It's a tiny bit heavier. I don't know what's happening to my voice. I need a drink. This is a tiny bit heavier. This is like literally lighter, but it's not by much. Not by much indeed. You've got the power play, which I do have a power play mat under here, which this is going to be all changed. I'm going to have a new mouse mat as well we're going to open. But yeah, that looks actually really nice with all them there. Boom. You could tell which one's the new one. And then everything else is in here. You got the dongle, which is the Pro X2. It just says Pro X2, which I don't know what the other ones say. I don't know if like these ones say anything. That just says the Pro X. So I don't want to get messed up with them, but mostly they're just kept in there. And I think this one just says the Pro, if I'm right. Yeah, that one just says the Pro. If the camera can see it, but you kind of can see the drift of it. And I think the one that I've got in here, which I don't have connected because I've got the power play. This one says, see, this one says the Pro X2 as well, but the X is a bit further away. So if you can see that, the X is a bit further away. Right? You can see that this is the one, this is my daily one that I'm using in a minute. And then the X on that, if you can kind of see, yeah. So that's the old one. This is the new one. Will I need it? No. Because, like I say, I will have it connected to my main thing. I hate that you have to press it down and it'll be fine. Right. Okay. Then we have all the manuals, the cables, so cool things, which we probably won't need, so I'm just going to probably leave it in the box for now, just because I just don't think I'll need it for a few. But before all this, let's make sure that's in. So at the minute, this device is going for like 150, 170. Some people are crazy and they're selling it for like 200, and I'm just like, just waiting till they get more stock and release. Like literally, I cancelled mine and I was gonna wait. But there you go. Let's remove these other mices and then leave my two main ones. Make sure they are my main ones. Right. Okay. But before we do that, we are gonna put the mouse mat down. So let me move all this out of the way. I don't know how big this mouse mat is, so let me just move all this out of the way. So we are getting rid of this one. And we are going to put this one down, which is very purpley blue and black. Kind of doesn't mix with this, but I wanted a new mouse mat. I looked for a black and white one. There just wasn't any that I liked. So, yeah. I feel like it's going to be dirty underneath here. I honestly do feel like that. Probably will be. I need a knife, man. Where's my knife gone? I swear people go through my drawers when I'm not here and just steal my knife. Like, I don't know where my knife's gone. I had a little pen knife. No, is this gonna open for me? I doubt that it's gonna open. Oh well. Hopefully the tape's easy to pull off. Now, I wasn't going to get, obviously, this mouse mat, but this one's just a cheap, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a cheap mouse mat on Amazon. The reason why I got one is because I cover the power play. Alright, okay, let me move this out of the way. Why does everything get in the way? This is going to be so dirty underneath here. It's going to be great. Not too bad. So this is the power play, and then this is what I put it over. It's not too bad, to be fair. Okay, that is a bit bigger than I thought. I'm not going to lie to you. I thought that was going to be... Yeah, that is it's fucking huge. Yeah, I've got a massive gap here. Why is... I didn't know there was red on it. Was there meant to be red there? With always new mouse mats, you have to be careful with them. I might have to pull this up here a bit more, so I can get some of it in. I guess, in the long run, it will feel nice. I just hope, will this work? And does it stay charging? This is where I have to check Logitech, just in case. Because if it doesn't charge through the power, the mat, then we have a problem. Nope, it is charging, connected light speed. And it is, I think, charging. Let's have a look. Take that off. Doesn't actually say. Normally it tells you if it's charging. Is it too thick? It's not telling me if it is charging or not. Which normally it would tell me. Even when I placed it on it. I think it will be charging. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, that is the new mouse mat. A bit much here, but I guess it will feel. It feels a lot better. I don't know how to... The only way I could do it is push it all back and make sure like I've got this bit. Because like I say, there's nothing on here. I could cut around here if I wanted to. Like score line it. Because to be fair, this mouse mat didn't cost me that much. It was like cheap. So it's something that I could probably do in the future to make it more flush. But yeah, anyway, let's connect. Let's take this out and then turn that off, inactive. And then let's open this bad boy up. This is going to be a long video. I hope you guys enjoy this long video. Now let's... The skis on it. That is weird, man. There's no click. There's literally no click. Like, there's no I've never had a mouse like that. What? What? Now, I need to get this connected, which... How do I do that again? That's the question. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to do this. Right, so I got it connected, and as you can kind of see, I'm moving around with the mouse. Now, if you go to the settings, it is working, but it doesn't work with the power play, so it doesn't pair with the power play. And if I do try it, it says it's limited to a thing. You can probably do it, and they probably will tweak it, but it's still working. It is charging, as you can see. If I lift it up, the charge will go. And if I put it back down, it will still charge. So I've got the dongle plugged in for now. I also have my other one deactivated for now. But if I turn that on, I can use that as well. And that'll be fine. So it's like, I've got two mouses if I need to. But I probably don't. Now this feels weird, I'm not going to lie. So if I go to the settings, you've got like all left and right toggles for your thing. So if you look here, and if I click the mouse... let me go to activation point. So if you look here, if I click the mouse, you can see how heavy I'm clicking it. And it's weird because there's no click to the mouse. It's all vibrations. So if I go to click haptic and turn this fully off, it feels like I'm not clicking anything, but I am. So if I click here, like, it is so weird. It is so, like, listen. I'm not clicking anything, but if I hold that, like you see, and then pull it, it honestly, it messes with your brain. It honestly is weird. It is weird, man. So I'm putting it on free, so I can feel the vibration at least. I've got the rapid trigger on fast, so when I click it, it clicks. And then the activation point on short. So if you see this line here, if I put it on like a long click, you can see the line going in and out. and that's like, oh, you've got to activate it over this little threshold to actually click. So you have to push hard down. I kind of want it on a short click, I'm not gonna lie. Maybe here, because I want to be fast reacting. And I don't know how this is going to change the game, honestly. But yeah, I honestly don't know how this is going to work. It's going to be very weird to get used to, but I don't know. Maybe I try some games with it, maybe tomorrow or some other time, and I record it, me using this, and have my screen on my mouse mat. Who knows? But it feels, and I don't know, it just feels weird. Like there's no click to it, and it feels like I feel it. Now this is probably just a hot topic right now. I haven't even tested the wheel. The wheel's fine. This is probably a hot topic right now, but I feel faster. Or that could be a weird thing, but I feel like I am faster doing stuff like click, click. You know what I mean? I honestly, I don't know. I don't know if it's a thing or not. But there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and the new mouse mat and everything. I need to cut this or something. Like, yeah, maybe a bit of chunk off there, or big scissors and just cut it all there. I don't know. I need to do something. Just try it at least. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time on whatever video I do. Peace out and butt grease.